Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm coming back to you guys because I shared this dry erase monthly board, monthly calendar, with you guys, right? And I had shown you everything that was included. These were what was included, and I did tell you that I didn't quite like them because they smeared or whatever. So I'm gonna pause this so I can show you what I'm talking about and then show you what I purchased and if they are great, because you might be looking for some great dry erase markers for another board you may have, or you may already have something similar to this, but you can't find great markers. So I've seen these several times at Walmart and I never knew how great they were. So this is gonna be me opening them and showing you on camera, and we'll see together if these are some great pens. And these were $3.95, $3.98 or something like that for all of these. You cannot beat that. And look at the colors, and they come with erasers on the tip. So let me show you how this comes out and why I don't like it, and then we'll see how great these are. So I wrote right there. Now when you first see it, it looks okay, but they're still kind of giving off that like translucent, like they're not opaque. They're not giving me a bold writing look, and I don't like that. Like with the May, you see how dark the blue is and it just starts to fade away. And even on the Wyatt, like some of it, it's just like it fades away and starts to disappear. And as you let it sit, it starts to do this weird bubbly crap. So I'm gonna let that sit a little bit. I'm gonna come back, but I'm gonna open these and write on this side and see how precise and bold these look. Now the crazy thing is, I've used all of these, both sides, and I put all the colors here on this side, and I'm gonna zoom in because I need you to see what's happening. It literally fades away and starts to disappear. And that's what happened even when I did the red. I put blue a couple times, and you see, it's like it's starting to disappear. But certain colors, as you see, the black, the blue, the yellow, the orange, and this turquoise color, they're doing good, but the red did not do well. And the red did exactly what the board did after I did the review for you guys and opening it. The red up top here did the same exact thing. So I don't think it's the markers. I think it's because it's so glossy and so shiny that it's not allowing the markers to adhere. But for the price, these are still good. I just look at the ones that I see that write really well. But let me show you. I'm about to put red on here again and show you how it disappears. I'm gonna pause it, write something, and come right back. So there it is. And I'm gonna come back in a couple seconds. See, it's fading away already. It's literally doing this weird thing where it's like fading away. You see it? Do you see that? It's literally fading away. So I think it's just the shine from the actual board. But I will say their markers, I just don't like the feel of them. These seem more sturdy and they write much better. And as you can see, the only one that I'm having problem with out of the ones that I opened, I didn't use these yet. I'm gonna do a quick test on all of these, but all of these colors here were fine except for the red. So let me test all of them. Okay, so I use all of these colors here, each end, and you would see the black is doing the same thing. The green is doing the same thing, which is this green here is doing the same thing. So the black and the green is doing the same thing. And the red. There was two reds. There's one red on here, then it's a red on those others. Let me zoom out that I tried earlier. So there was two reds in this thingy and two types of blues. So these are the ones I tried first on that side up here, and that's a red, and then it's a darker red. I don't know, I guess it's just two reds because they figure people really like red. But yeah, the red is doing the same thing, and the green and the blue. I mean, well, the black. I'm reading blue, but it says black. That's that trick. You ever seen that trick on TV where it shows you how it could say something, but it's hard for you to say black because you see the word blue? But anyways, sorry. So the blue, the green, and the red are doing it. All the other ones are still really good. So I guess for the price, it's not bad. I can still use these. And if you're looking for some and you end up buying this board, these are the Pen Gear dry erase markers, and this is my review on them and how they work. I really feel like it's the board, because both markers are doing the same thing and certain colors are like literally disappearing. See how the red is like looking so thin, like I drew it with a pen. So yeah, I hope this was helpful to you. And if you see these in Walmart and you need dry erase markers for your children, this is a great option. I just think this is just so shiny, which is good because it's easy to wipe off and doesn't leave the ghosting on the board. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and join my family. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. If you have any questions or concerns or comments and you want to see me do something on the channel, please leave it below and I will see you guys later, Gators.